What's up, YouTube? It's Hoover29 here, aka Gunpowder Residue. You guys can catch me on Twitter, Periscope, and Instagram. Today I'm having a problem with my Scorpion Evo 3. I just replaced my, moved my charging handle over to my right side. I'm left-handed, so need to have that over on the right side. And I ran into a little problem. If you guys can hear this clicking noise, this wasn't there when it was over on the left side. I'm running into a clicking noise now right before I began to charge it. So I mean, I'm getting my complete charge, but right before the charge I'm getting a click, and I know where it's coming from. It's basically the end of the charging handle buttoned up against the bolt. Basically, here's the bolt back here, and that's the sound. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here's the bolt, and I got my thumb on. Ouch, that kind of hurt. And here's the charging handle ramming up against it. And at first I thought it was a spring that you use to depress to take the charging handle out with, but it's not. It's a lot stiffer. The spring is a lot stiffer. It didn't used to be this stiff. And right now it's basically just hitting up the back side of the bolt, causing it to make that little noise before it really engages. And it's kind of frustrating. I know I could probably put something on the back side. I don't know if you guys can see that, the back side of that charging handle there. That right there it goes. I can put something on the back side of it, like to quiet the noise. But of course it wasn't, from the factory like that. So I really want to get down to the bottom of it, just actually see what it is. So with that being said, if you guys have had this problem or know how I can possibly fix this problem, please let me know, because again, this is very, very annoying. So that's my problem. Hope you guys can help me out on that. Any comments would be definitely appreciated, or greatly appreciated also. All right, guys, thank you very much. Hope you guys have a nice day. See you.
Gunpowder Residue.